Mindfulness, the art of living fully in the present moment. It's more than a meditation technique or a spiritual practice. It is a way of life. In a world filled with distractions, worries, and endless tasks, mindfulness reminds us to pause, breathe, and truly experience each moment. Today, we explore mindfulness, its meaning, spiritual benefits, and practical ways to bring it into our daily lives. Mindfulness. It is the awareness of the present moment without judgment. It means observing your thoughts, emotions, and sensations as they arise, without getting lost in the past or future. It is simple in principle, yet profound in practice, connecting us deeply with life as it unfolds. Mindfulness is not only a mental exercise. Spiritually, it awakens conscious awareness, revealing the deeper layers of our mind and soul. When we live mindfully, we recognize the impermanence of life, the interconnectedness of all things, the divine presence within and around us. This awareness brings clarity, peace, and a sense of harmony with the universe. Modern science confirms what spiritual traditions have known for centuries. Mindfulness benefits the mind and the body, reduces stress and anxiety, improves focus and memory, enhances emotional regulation, lowers blood pressure, and promotes well being. By simply paying attention to the present moment, we can transform our mental, emotional, and physical health. Mindfulness can practice anytime, anywhere. Let's discuss in 5 ways. First, mindful breathing. Focus on your inhale and exhale. Second, body scan meditation. Notice sensation from head to toe. Third, mindful walking. Observe every step and movement. Fourth, mindful eating. Taste, smell, and savor each bite. Fifth, journaling. Observe thoughts and emotions without judgment. These practices train your mind to remain present, fostering inner calm and awareness. Mindfulness is not limited to meditation, it can be integrated into every aspect of daily life. Listening fully in conversations, engaging fully in tasks, observing nature during walks, noticing emotions as they arise. Every moment becomes an opportunity to awaken and connect with life in more deeply. Distractions, stress, and habitual thinking often pull us away from the present. Mindfulness requires patience and consistent practice. Start small. Even a few minutes of focused breathing or mindful observations can create lasting change. Gradually, mindfulness transforms the mind, turning chaos into calm, distractions into clarity. Spiritual, spiritually, mindfulness cultivates deep inner peace, compassion for self and others, connection to the present moment and the universe, awareness of the soul, and higher consciousness. By being fully present, we align with the flow of life and wisdom of our inner self. Mindfulness helps us respond rather than react. We observe emotions without being overwhelmed. We see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than stressors. Living mindfully transforms ordinary life into extraordinary experiences. Each breath, each step, each interaction becomes a chance to be fully alive. Mindfulness is not just technique, it's a way to embrace life moment by moment. Mindfulness is a gift, a practice that awakens awareness, nurtures the souls, and brings peace to every moment. Pause, breathe, notice, and connect. Because the present moment is where life fully happens.